students, today we will learn some rules about the changes of demonstrative pronouns in the direct speech or indirect speech. Yesterday we had learned about the changes of pronoun, but today we have taken the new rules, that is the changes of demonstrative pronouns, isn't it? So here students, first is here you can see, that is the direct speech. Tarun said, I was absent on this day. Isn't it, student? So here in this sentence, which is the demonstrative pronoun? That is the this. You can see this is the demonstrative pronoun. So here it changes this to that. It means that while converting direct to indirect, this demonstrative pronoun changes to that. You can see here. In the indirect speech, that is, Tarun said that he had been absent that day. In this sentence, in the direct speech, we had used there this demonstrative pronoun, and while converting direct to indirect, we have changed it into the that, isn't it? While converting direct to indirect, then this will change into the those while converting direct to indirect. Let me tell you an example. Here, Vicky said, "These are my toys." These are my toys. This is the demonstrative pronoun, isn't it? And it will change into the those when converting direct to indirect. Here, that direct speech, Vicky said, "These are my toys," and indirect speech, you can see Vicky said that those were his toys. You can see that we have changed the demonstrative pronoun, isn't it? That is the these. These is changed to the those, isn't it, students? Then here we have learned about the changes of demonstrative pronoun, isn't it, student? Now we will take the rules change of models, isn't it? Rule change of modal auxiliaries. Here, while converting direct to indirect, can will change into the could, and while converting direct to indirect, may will change into the might. Let me tell you. Let me give you an example. Here, this is the direct speech. He asked, "Can I take the corner seat?" You can see that. And it will change into the could. So this is the direct speech, and this is indirect speech. You can see that he asked if he could take the corner seat. You can see, students, that we have changed the can modal auxiliary into the could, isn't it? Because why we did it? Because according to the direct to indirect, while converting direct to indirect, we have to change the tense. So this is the can. It shows the present, and it shows the little bit past possibility. Then next, here may will change into the might. May will change into the might. So let me give you an example here. That direct speech example, Romy. You can see that this is example direct speech. Romy asked, "May I get a cup of tea?" Are you getting, students? Romy asked, "May I get a cup of tea?" Here we have used the may. And as I told you that if suppose while converting direct to the indirect, may will change into the might. You can see here indirect speech, that is the Romy asked if she might get a cup of tea, isn't it? We have changed, this is the may into the might, and we have changed the can into the could. These are the modal auxiliaries, isn't it? Can will change into the could, and then may will change into the might while converting direct to indirect. So we have seen two examples of can and could, and also before this we have taken, that is the demonstrative pronoun, isn't it, student? So here in the first tense, that is the these will change into the that. According to this, we have taken two examples, that is the direct speech and indirect speech. This is used in the direct speech, and on the place of this we have used that. And another sentence, that is the here this. If suppose this will change into the those when these will be used in the direct speech, and on the place of this, those will be used on the place of I mean to say these those will be used on the place of these while converting direct to indirect students. So here I hope you might have understood rules, that is the changes of demonstrative pronoun and changes of the models, that can, could and may, might. So students, in the next period we will take some new information and some new rules about the direct and indirect speech. So stay safe, stay home.